0X8007013 install error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix such Windows installation error code, first go to Windows settings, and here from the left pane go to system and go to troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and here run the Windows update troubleshooters, and let the window detecting the issues. Follow on a screen instruction to complete the process. After that, the second workaround is go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here type services.msc. Open services windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and here go to Windows Update Services. From the bottom of the page, right click on it and restart Windows Update Services. If you found it's a stop, then first start it and thereafter restart it. Restart Windows Update Services. After that, double click on it and set a startup type as automatic and press apply and then OK to save the changes and check whether your installation is not. If not, go to the next fixes manager, and here go to sound, video and game controllers and update Realtek driver. Update driver, search automatically for drivers and update your Realtek driver to fix this issue. The next one is scanning your system. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows run the DISM tool to check your system, scan health, check health and restore health. Execute these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each times, and let the window complete the process. After that, execute FFC /scan now to scan for any corrupted files in your system and repair them accordingly. Again, full scan your system. Go to Windows search, type Windows security, open it, and in Windows open Windows security. Here from the left pane, go to virus and threat protection, and here choose scan options and choose a full scan and click on scan now to scan your system for any viruses. And if your problem is still, then go to the next fixes. Again, press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and here type RSTRUI to launch system restore windows. In system restore windows, click on next, restore system files and settings, and choose a restore point from which you are facing such installation error. Choose the point and click on next, and finally confirm your restoration point. Click on finish and restart your system.